Hello everyone, I'm George from TSS, and in this video I'll be unboxing the TSS traditional style multi-point door handles with 92 PZ and 122mm screw centres. As you can see, the handles are boxed and all the components inside are individually bagged. This is to avoid any damage in transit. In the box you will receive your back plate and your levers, an accessory kit containing your fixing screws and your spindles. These particular handles have a handed lever, so they are not fitted to the multi-point door handle like your conventional TSS multi-point door handles. I'll show you how to fit these shortly. On installation, once you know which hand you need, you simply push the lever into place like so. On the reverse side, there's a fixing point on the back. Just pop the screw that is supplied in the fixing pack and tighten, and now fix your lever into place. Go over the handle measurements with you now. So these particular handles have a 92mm PZ with 122mm screw centres. The total back plate length is 220mm by 32mm. The top screw to the centre of the spindle is 22mm. These handles are available in the antique black finish you can see in the video here, plus the pewter finish. Thank you for watching.